Former NNPC Group Managing Director Yakubu discharged and acquitted of $9.8 million corruption charges. The former Group Managing Director of Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation (NNPC), Andrew Yakubu, has been discharged and acquitted of the $9.8 million money laundering charge filed against him by the federal government. Recall that resident of the ex-NNPC boss in Kaduna was raided by operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission in 2017, and $9,770,000 and £74,000 were discovered in his safe. Justice Ahmed Rahmat Mohammed of the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja, who gave the judgment on the 31st of March after a 5-year legal battle, said the Economic Financial Crimes Commission prosecution, Andrew Yakubu, on behalf of the federal government, could not prove its case beyond reasonable doubt. Justice Muhammad agreed with Yakubu that the hard currencies found at his residence were gifts and donations from friends and well-wishers after he retired as NNPC Group Managing Director. Rahmat said the prosecution ought to have investigated the claim of the defendant and subsequently lead evidence to contradict its claims. A prudent investigator could have asked the investigator to ask the defendant to provide the names of some of his friends and other individuals who had given him monies as gifts or as goodwill, and find out how much each person has given him, and thereafter invite them to find out the truth or otherwise. The court held that the money was not collected in bulk, but in tranches, adding that part of the amount was from his savings from his official foreign trips while he was in office. Justice Ahmed Rahmat Mohammed also ordered that the huge foreign currency seized from him in 2017 and kept at the Central Bank of Nigeria be refunded to him forthwith. That is the judgment over this matter. Remember, in 2017, it was a sensational news on all the dailies then that the Group Managing Director has siphoned Nigerian money for his own personal use. Well, that is why the Lord, they said, is blind. The Lord provides justice. It is the evidence provided against this case that made this judgment to be like this. Therefore, this is where we are. The EFCC could not prove this case beyond reasonable doubt according to the judge, and so there was no way it would be convicted. What is your take on this? Was the EFCC ready for this case in the first instance? Would they go the whole hog to make sure that they get all the evidence, like the judge said? Were the people that gave him the money, were they invited, were they interrogated? Did they even ask him who gave him this money? Well, the judgment is in his favor. He will even get some damages, I'm sure, at the end of the day. What is your take on this? Kindly make it known that you subscribe to my page. Thank you, good day, and God bless.